Hello guys, it's always a pleasure to come your way with a good video. Today we want to see how we can use ChatGPT to build our own chatbot. Now before we continue, we need to understand the word chatbot before we can be able to create it. Chatbot is more or less like a computer program that is designed to be able to stimulate conversation with human users, especially on the internet. Just like the ChatGPT, it can be able to respond to you automatically any question you ask it on the internet. So before we continue, if you don't have ChatGPT installed yet, go ahead and install the app or go and sign up for an account with them so that we can be able to use it to create our own chatbot. Once this is done, let's see how we can be able to use ChatGPT to build our own chatbot. Once you have the app installed, you can go ahead and log into your account. Once you are logged inside ChatGPT, you can go to the search area and we're going to search for how to create a chatbot in Python. Now this will give you a series of steps in which you need to follow in order to create your own chatbot. Now to create a chatbot in Python, you can follow these general steps. 1. Choose a Python framework or library. There are several options available such as the ChatBot NLTK, that's Natural Language Toolkit, or the Rasa framework. For this example, let's use ChatBot. Install the necessary packages. That's install the ChatBot by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. So you need to install this code, that is pip. Then the next step is to import the required modules. In your Python script, import the necessary modules from ChatBot. So you have to say from ChatBot import ChatBot, then from ChatBot.trainers import ChatBot corpus trainer. Now the next step is to create a ChatBot instance. Initialize a ChatBot object with a unique name. You can also configure various parameters according to your requirements. So you need to run this code to as well. ChatBot is equal to ChatBot my ChatBot. Now the fifth step is to train the chatbot. That is, use a trainer object to train the chatbot using existing conversational data. ChatBot comes with pre-trained data sets that you can use for training. So these are the codes you use in order to train the chatbot. Now the sixth step is to get response from the chatbot. Use the chatbot to generate response based on your user input. That is, response is equal to chatbot get underscore response and then print response. Now the seventh step is customize and improve the chatbot. You can further refine your chatbot's response by providing your own training data or by configuring the chatbot's parameters. Explore the documentation for the library you choose to see the variable option. Remember, this is a basic example to get you started. You can enhance your chatbot's functionality by integrating it with natural language processing. NLP, that is natural language processing tool, adding more training data or incorporating other APIs and services. So this is the steps I follow in order to create my own chatbot. So I hope this is helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, also like our video and share with those who are in need of the video. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Love you.